Hey guys, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on protein synthesis, specifically translation. And this was taken from the November 2017 DBE exam. So let's jump in. The diagram below represents a process that occurs during protein synthesis. So first question, identify the process above. So let's just have a look at the diagram and we can see we've got ribosomes over here, these big rounded figures. Then we've got this structure here, that is your mRNA strand, and we've got tRNA molecules over here and a whole bunch of amino acids. So identify the process above. What's happening here is translation. Okay, nice easy one for 1 mark. Then 1.5.2, identify organelle A. So this structure over here, that is your ribosome. Ribosomes. So this is a ribosome, so A is your ribosome, and here is another ribosome there. Identify molecule B. Molecule B is our strand of mRNA, which was transcribed from the original DNA molecule. And then see the bond at E. So here's E over here, and it is the bond between each of these amino acids. That bond is known as the peptide bond. And that's it. Very nice, easy 4 marks, and there we go. Right, that's it from me, but before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just like this. But for more epic videos, you can check out our website, and just a quick shout out to our sponsor. You can find their details in the description below as well as our website details. Until next time, stay.